Here we are at our 2016 Harris Grand Mariner 250. This is a Tritoon. It's powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower 4-stroke supercharged outboard motor. Do not know the exact engine hours on that at the time of this video. That will be posted at our website, which is where you're going to find the current asking price and the full list of specifications. On this one, we usually don't mention the asking price in the video tours because those will often change throughout a listing. This is a one-owner boat purchased here locally on Norris Lake. It's been kept under cover and on a lift. We're here for our video walkthrough tour. There's also going to be some warranty remaining on this Mercury engine. I'm going to have the details on that also at our website. You can see we've got a safety chain here. We got a ski tow bar over top this Mercury 300 Pro Verado. A lot of really neat features on this one. We've got kind of the woven luxury vinyl flooring. You've got a swim platform, stereo remote, two speakers here on the swim deck as well. You've got a gate that's going to close off the swim deck when you're underway if you've got little ones, and then that'll lift and open up. We've got a second stereo remote right here with a auxiliary input and a 12-volt power outlet for that stereo. Oh, there you go, there's your auxiliary input. 4 stainless cup holders here. We've also got storage. Let me point out the storage here. You got a built-in cooler under this side, I believe. There it is, it's on a hinge. So it's a self-draining built-in cooler there. And then you've got a second larger one here under this seat, and that one's on a shock, so it's going to lift very easily. And your seat back here, you just slide that in, push it forward, and now you're in sun lounge mode, rear facing. And again, I should show you, push that in, slide it the other way, locks into place. You've got a double wide companion seat, removable cup holders, and you can just pick these up and put them anywhere you like and kind of wedge into place there. Goes. Lots of storage on this one. This one's rated for 16 persons. Your helm seat here leans forward. You've got a little bit of storage under there. You've got dual armrest. Tilt steering wheel. There's your Polk audio. That is a AM, FM, Bluetooth, satellite ready stereo. You've got a separate volume just for the swim deck, which is nice. So sometimes if you're in the water, you want it louder back there and maybe not as loud in the rest of the boat. You've got depth finder, engine trim gauge, multi-function gauge here in the middle. This thing's just loaded up. Another 12-volt power outlet here. You've got a small glove box with a USB auxiliary input for your stereo there. Let's see, you've got your underdeck lights, your underwater lights, that's at the swim deck. You've got cup holder lights, courtesy lights, and docking lights. Reminder, do not run with your docking lights when you're underway. That is only for seeing when you get back into your slip at night. At least in Tennessee, if you're out running at night with those docking lights on, you will get stopped. Stainless cup holders throughout. You've got 3 additional speakers up here in the front half of the boat, along with the big Polk audio subwoofer. You've got another 12-volt power plug here. You've got a nice chest here. And then this counter pops up and locks into place, gives you some additional counter space. You kind of need 2 hands to lower that back down, but I can do it easily even while videoing. This is additional storage space. Now this could also double as a pop-up changing room. That does not have the curtain installed, but one can be installed there. It's just being used as additional storage space. There is a full mooring cover for this one. Of course, the Bimini top's also overhead. There's your another removable cup holder there. Should also point out that these armrests fold down, and you've got a stainless cup holder built into those. We've got a PTM edge rail mount rear view mirror. Additional storage space under your helm here. This little switch slides up and that will slide out. Convenient place to store a low waist bin. We've also got a pair of stereo amplifiers stored under there. And some additional storage under here. Three more stereo speakers here in this, I guess what you'd say the mid part of the boat. Large Bimini top overhead. I believe there's some courtesy lighting built into that Bimini top as well. Oh, and I should also point out we've got dual batteries and a battery switch. Battery switch is here, and your battery storage is very cleverly located underneath your sun lounge, and it's on a powered lift. So I'm raising that right now by just holding the button. There's your dual batteries mounted down there as well. A little bit of additional storage space in there. And I'm going to go ahead and set that back down. I'll do one more walk around the exterior. Again, our website's where you're going to find the full list of details for the 2016 Harris 250 Grand Entertainer Tritoon for sale on Norris Lake. Contact us through there with any questions. When you make it to our website, oh, and we've also got a flag holder right here. So I believe there's an American flag being included with this one. And then here's your other safety chain there and a swim boarding ladder here on the back. So we've got a very easy to navigate website, not a ton of inventory. Just when you make it to the yournewboat.com website, click to find your new boat button. It's going to show you everything in our inventory and order price. You can see I've got the underdecking lights on, and then that would be your underwater lights there. This is the Tritoon. Transferable warranty on the engine. A few little nicks and scrapes on that pontoon that you probably wouldn't even notice had it not be up here on the lift. Docking lights here on the bow. You've got that underskin aluminum decking underneath the floor. Got a bit of a ding here on the front part of that splash guard on the port side pontoon and your center pontoon. Lifting Strakes throughout the middle. And that's going to wrap things up for us here. You can contact us by phone, by email, or text through our website. If you call us on the phone and you get our voicemail, please leave us a detailed message because we are often in areas without cell phone reception. If you don't leave a message, we will not know that you called. Thank you again for joining us.